Hello everybody, I'm coming. Today I found that they, I don't know when, but I found that they launched the new gaming desktop Aurora R12, and so what is the difference with the R11? I found the only difference is the 11th generation CPU, and the others I think here is a graphics card 3060 and 3070 and 2080 Ti. Graphics card is not bad, and 3080 and 3090. So I think what is worth it? And the other is not much different. It's 240. It is the 11300F, not K, just F for 24449. And the other is, what is the different? If you're gonna 1000, you're gonna pay more. Alright. And if you're gonna liquid cool, you're gonna be add more money, just 50 bucks. It's okay. But I would like to say, if I were you, I will not buy this one, because when I found the CPU performance, this 11 generations is totally same with 10 generation. So I don't think you're gonna, if you are the 11 user, I think we don't need to upgrade for the 12. And even if you are a new user, I think you don't need to buy the the 12. I think the 11 will be worth and better. Because why I'm saying this, because if you see, let me check it out. Here is gaming and desktop. So if you see the 11, there are some specs here. I think this is still R11. This is still the worst options for the Alienware, because this is the 10th generation and will be cheaper, 200 bucks than cheaper than the 12, and the graphics is the same, and the only, I think this should be different, because I found 11th generation is 1 terabyte NVMe, just one terabyte ME, and this is 512 and plus the 2 terabyte the SATA drive. So it is not a big deal, I think, because you save 200 bucks, $300 bucks, and you can get the higher, the best performance hard drive for this PC. So it is not a big deal. So if I were you, I would choose this one, because the performance is the same and price lower than the 11th generation. Why I'm saying this, when we're gonna see the performance. This, if you see, I just reference this one. This is 11 generation, and this is 10 generation. If you see this, some games is lower than 10 generation. I don't know why Intel, they launching like this, the CPU. I don't know. I don't understand. Anyway, even the 11th generation higher than, just higher on 3 and 5 FPS. So you're gonna be spend 200 bucks and change the just 3 and 5 FPS? I don't think so. That is not, not make sense. So if I were you, I just using the let me see the not K. How about not K? Is there? A lot of CPU is the getting the K. There is no just stock non-K CPUs over here. Or here is a benchmark. So if okay, let us check out. Here is K. There is no. Oh, it's all there is none K. So even if you are, if you're, I believe that's the totally the same. Anyway, if you check the all the benchmark is, you will find the 11 generation is totally same. This 10th generation, just a little bit much different, but you can ignore that. So that is why recommend, if I were you, I will choose this spec. Now, of course, you can choose the other, but I think the graphics card are a little bit lower, so I don't recommend you buy like this. Of course, if you do not play the 3A games, I think this should be enough. Or like 1660 Super, they should be better than 1650 Super. So if you gonna a little bit cheap, you can choose these options. Is 16.6 Super graphics card, and after you bought this, you can use that for a while, and after the graphics card price getting normal, because right now it's very expensive getting the normal, you can change it. You can change it yourself. Change it, upgrade the graphics card to the 1370 or 1380. I think that's the good, ways to save and getting the good performance. So yeah, this is my opinion. I think yeah, of course, if you have a lot of money, you can choose these options or whatever you want. But I recommend, if I were you, I will not buying these options because it's not worth it. So I will wait for the 12th generation or 13th generations will be, getting the high gaps of the be worth it. So alright, that is my small tips. I hope you guys can get it in a good desktop what you want. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.